Do and make in Persian.
کردن.
And.
ساختن.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, swing by www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the difference between do and make in Persian.
کردن.
For do and.
ساختن.
For build, make with natural phrases like he did.
او انجام داد.
Buckle up. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll comfortably use these in speech. Repeat out loud and smile. Your brain loves that. Do.
کردن.
Make.
ساختن.
For building, creating. You made.
تو ساختی.
He did.
او انجام داد.
We did.
ما کردیم.
They made, as in, they made it happen.
آنها کردند.
Funny mini dialogue. Let's eavesdrop on a tiny victory scene and then you repeat the punchlines. A. Did we finish the report? B. Yes, we did.
ما کردیم.
A. Wow, you made the best slide.
تو ساختی.
B. Don't forget him, he did the tough charts.
او انجام داد.
A. Teamwork rocks, they made the deadline.
آنها کردند.
Form patterns you'll love. Time for quick patterns, no dust, just shine. Core, do, verb equals.
کردن.
Past stem, card. I did.
من کردم.
You, SG, did.
تو کردی.
We did.
ما کردیم.
You, place, did.
شما کردید.
They did.
آنها کردند.
Natural, he did, it often uses.
او انجام داد.
Build, make physical things.
ساختن.
E.g., you made a cake.
تو ساختی.
Closing parenthesis. Drill time. Echo me with confidence, out loud. Your plants won't judge. Say, do.
کردن.
Say, make, build, create.
ساختن.
Say, we did it.
ما کردیم.
Say, you made it.
تو ساختی.
Say, he did it.
او انجام داد.
Say, they made it happen.
آنها کردند.
Culture tip. Do versus make. Here's how natives sound natural, mini secrets unlocked. For general actions, use
کردن.
let's do it.
بیا این کار را بکنیم.
For creating, building, use
ساختن.
we make a bridge.
ما پل می سازیم.
Everyday, make, prepare, often uses
درست کردن.
I make tea.
من چای درست می کنم.
Quick quiz. Answer fast, then I'll reveal the phrase. Q1. What's do base form in Persian? A.
کردن.
Q2. Translate, you made. A.
تو ساختی.
Q3. Say, he did. A.
او انجام داد.
Q4. Say, we did. A.
ما کردیم.
Q5. Say, they made it happen. A.
آنها کردند.
Your speaking challenge. Your turn. Create tiny wins. Say each aloud, then swap the subject. I did it.
من کردم.
You made a cake.
تو کیک ساختی.
He did the task.
او کار را انجام داد.
We did our best.
ما بهترین کار را کردیم.
They made a plan.
آنها یک برنامه ساختند.
Wrap up and high five. You crushed it, short, sweet, and solid. Today you practiced do.
کردن.
Make.
ساختن.
Plus key wins. You made.
تو ساختی.
He did.
او انجام داد.
We did.
ما کردیم.
And they made.
آنها کردند.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and fresh audio. See you next time.